bar. We've just been upgraded from a Category 4 to a Category 16 hurricane. We're interviewing some of the locals who've chosen to stay out instead of going home. They've chosen to stay in the bar and drink. Sir, can you please tell me, why are you still here?
I have no idea. I came out earlier and half my beard fell off. It's crazy.
You fucking clippers! What the goddamn is wrong? Really? Are you serious? You fucking... No! Wow!
That's my girlfriend. She's pissed.
Oh my god! Oh